This is a place that is close to where I stay, and this is so amazing. Yeah, like everything here on the table is pretty much homemade, beginning with these pickles, which is you have Karela pickle, chicken pickle, and the usual mango pickle and hari mirch pickle. And the starting range, or in fact the standard price, is just 120, which is very reasonable, really. And see, this is something that I'm seeing only here, which is kiwis, which you can get for 150 bucks. And then there are these papaya, these seeds, which you can get for 120. So people, this is at Bachapalli, and always the stall is put before this particular, doctors polyclinic, and this is a place worth visiting. And I wish the person who's behind, like the lady who makes all the food, she's a bit shy to come on to the camera, but this is a place you all should visit. So this is in Bachapalli, and which is near Kukatpalli in Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.